dang, I didn't realize how rough I looked. Alright you guys, so I'm super excited to do this Get Ready With Me today because one of my favorite makeup companies and one of my favorite YouTubers have collabed once again, Kathleen Lights and Colourpop Cosmetics. I'm a huge fan of Colourpop. I've loved their products for many years now since they first started with their lippy sticks. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm going to be using the Dream Street palette today. This was from her last collab and I believe her new collab launches tomorrow. Thursday, today is Wednesday. Yes, so I believe it launches tomorrow, which I'm super excited about. Definitely gonna grab a few things from her collection. For sure the eyeshadow palette. Wanted to do something with these blues, but I'm not really doing much today. I'm gonna be running some errands. I'm gonna go to the grocery store. So if I was going to work, I would totally like, whew. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Catrice Camofllouge cream and I'm gonna just pat that onto my lid for a shadow primer. Man, my eyes are super red. I didn't think I looked this terrible. I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning. I've been really proud of myself. I've been waking up at 5 to go work out this whole week and I'm super proud of myself. I'm trying to get myself motivated. I used to wake up at 5 a.m. and work out all the time. I love working out first thing in the morning, get it out of the way. It gives me energy throughout my day and I just feel really good. Plus I don't feel like I'm taking away from the kids or spending time with my husband, you know, in the afternoon when I get out of work. Everyone is still asleep when I go work out, so that's why I like going to work out at that time. The baby's been sleeping a little later and my husband doesn't have to be at work until 7, so that allows me like a good hour and a half workout. So yeah, sorry I look rough. So I'm gonna grab this shade right here called Shooting Star. That is going to be my first shade that I lay down. Now I'm gonna dip into the shade Potion, this shade right here. Now I'm going to grab this little tiny fluffy brush by Makeup Geek. It's just like a little pencil brush. And I'm going to dip into this shade right here. This is the shade Elfish, this dark one right here. Clean up my lid area a little bit so I can put on a shimmery shade. And I'm just going to use my Catrice Camofllouge cream and this flat brush. Brush. This is just a flat synthetic brush by Wet n Wild, and I think I'm going to dip into this shade right here, Sweet Dreams. This one right here. It's kind of like rosy gold one. Now I cannot stand harsh lines, so I'm actually going to go in this fluffy brush right here and I'm just going to grab a little bit of this color, Elfish, and I'm just going to blend right here this line. I'm actually going to grab a absolutely clean brush and I'm going to get some of this shade right here, this like corally shade, Spark. I just want to warm up the crease a little bit. Prime the rest of my face and I'm going to be using the Becca First Light Priming Filter. Then I'm gonna go in with my It Cosmetics CC cream. To grab my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I've been loving this stuff, but I'm gonna place some on the back of my hand. I saw I Love Sarai doing this, and I love all of her tricks that she shares. And then I'm just gonna grab this Morphe 224 concealer brush. And my banana powder, the NYX HD Finishing Banana Powder, and I'm just gonna take that and press it and set my CC cream. To warm up my face, I'm actually going to be using the pressed powder by Colourpop in Private Party. There I am. I feel like once like the rest of my face and my bronzer goes on, I feel so much better. I'm going to be using this blush by Catrice. This is the Strobing blush in the shade Rosalie Berry. Now we're gonna go back and smoke out the lower lash line, but before I do that, I'm going to bake just on the inner portion of my eye. Plus that will allow, if I get any fallout from my lower lash line, it'll just dust away. So I'm going to take my Cover FX translucent powder. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender, well, my Real Techniques beauty sponge. And I'm just gonna press it, mostly concentrating it right here on the inside of my eye. I've learned that baking and bringing it out this way, I already have dry under eyes and I make like crazy facial expressions. And so right here, if I bake in this area, it makes me look like I'm like 40 or 50 years old, and I'm not ready to look that age yet. My pet peeves, I love my sunglasses, but man, I hate the little round thing. It like messes up my whole look and it makes me so mad. So doing this has kind of helped. Come here, baby. So I'm gonna start with this shade right here, which is the first shade that I put in my transition, and it's gonna be the same for my lower lash line, a transition base shade for my lower lash line. So I actually feel like adding some color in my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Mermaid Boy, and I'm gonna lightly buff that into my lower lash line. Now to make sure that blue stays a little intensified, I'm not gonna go with black in my lower lash line, in the rim of my lower lash line. I'm actually gonna use this Soft Kohl by Rimmel in the shade Jungle Green. I'm just gonna warm it up a little. Now we're we're just gonna dust away this bake right here. Now we're going to highlight, and I'm also gonna be using this. This is a highlighter by Colourpop. And I'm gonna grab my Morphe R31. And I'm gonna use this same highlighter in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm even gonna highlight my brow bone a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and throw on some false lashes. Well, this look escalated quickly. It started off being just something simple, gonna go run errands at the grocery store, and now I'm sitting here with full glam, false lashes and everything. What can I say? It happens sometimes. It will be glamorous at the grocery store at Walmart. But I went ahead and finished my lip, and this was another collab by Kathleen LightsXColourpop. I used the lippy pencil in Aquarius, and then I also used the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Aquarius 2. Give me besito. I love you. Can we say hi?
Hi.
Right? I'm almost done, okay? Moana. Go watch Moana. I'm almost done, okay? So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look using the Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette. I'll list everything down below that I used in the tutorial today. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. I hope you're having a beautiful and blessed day. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comments down below are welcome. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you guys in the next one.